Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel No Salesforce. Today we are going to learn how to restore the deleted records in Salesforce. So first I will delete some records. Mm, Yeah, so I have deleted two opportunity records. So I want to restore these two deleted records. So for that click on this app launcher which is nine dots and search for recycle bin, then click on this recycle bin option, and in recycle bin you can see the deleted records are visible here. So if you want to restore these two records, then click on this checkbox in front of these records, and after that click on this restore button. So you will see record were restored. So the records are restored successfully. So I will come back to the opportunity, and here you can see the deleted records are restored successfully. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel. Do share it.